everybody, and welcome to O-Teen TV. This is your girl O-Teen, and I just wanted to come on here and do a review of a wonderful product that I purchased. It is the Zeny, Z-E-N-Y, portable twin tub washing machine with the spinner. I already have my 2 gallons of water in. All I use is, I bought a cheap gallon bucket and I use 2 gallons of water. I use this right here, which is 15 milligrams. It's a 15 milligram medicine cup, kids medicine cup. That's all the laundry detergent that I use per load. So I'm going to go ahead and dump this in. I don't have my clothes in yet, of course. But I'm going to wash about 4 shirts, 4 extra large t-shirts. Just put these in. Go ahead and start this is my wash timer. It goes anywhere from 0 to 15 minutes on the wash. Then there's a standard. Standard is just like a regular wash. Then there's soft wash for delicates. Let's move this up so you can see. And then there's a spin cycle. It goes from 0 to 5 minutes, which I usually put mine on 3. It really gets a lot of the water out, so you hang it up. And maybe, if you do it in the morning, by afternoon, they're dry. Of course, depending on what it is, but towels I do overnight. But t-shirts and everything, they're usually dry by the afternoon. I'll go ahead and get this started so we can start washing. You can see how that goes. There's number 4 shirt. And here's number 5. I'll close it for a minute so that water won't splash all over me and everything else. I just keep mine up on top of, when I use it on top of my bathroom counter. It works fine up here. A lot of people use theirs in their tub, in their shower. I don't trust electricity in my tub or shower, because you have to run the power cord, so I'd rather do it up here where I can control it. I'm a little short, so I do have to use a ladder to get up here in order to be able to see what I'm doing, but that's fine. I don't mind that at all. So I put that on 6 minutes. You can put it on whatever time you want, depending on how dirty your clothes are. But you see how much it suds up just from that one 15 milliliter medicine cup. So that's plenty. It saves on water, it saves on laundry detergent, and actually I figured it out. And my wash downstairs, I live in an apartment, and to wash downstairs, it cost me $2.50 just for one wash, one load, and $1.50 to dry just for one load. So that's $4 right there. Typically people have their whites, their colors, and their darks. So that right there is $12 if that's all you have. If you only have 3 loads. So this thing, it costs $90. So it'll basically pay for itself in roughly 8 weeks or so, depending on, how often you wash, how many loads you have, and everything like that. But it definitely pays for itself. And it does a great job at washing. Now the washer part will hold 5.5 pounds of clothes. And the spinner part, which a lot of people call it the dryer, but it's not a dryer. The spinner part, which is over here, it holds 4.4 pounds of clothes. This is the spinner part over here, which is fine. I mean, it's like I use mine for to keep my clothes caught up, basically. If I wear the outfit that day, I can wash it that day and not have to worry about it and hang it up and, hey, keep all my clothes caught up. But basically, it's good for apartment complexes. If you have a camper, if you have you know, kids that are going to college. It's good for dorms. It's good for RVs. And I just thought about this a minute ago. It's good for the tiny house. I noticed a lot of people are getting into the tiny houses. This would be great for that. And like I said, it saves on water, it saves on laundry detergent because, I mean, you don't have to use but a medicine cup full, a kid's medicine cup full at that. So I'll come back in just a few minutes when this is finished washing and show you how I do my rinse and spin cycle. Okay, I'm back. The wash is done. I'm going to close this and see up here where it says drain. I'm going to turn it to drain so all the water can drain out. It's starting to drain out. And I'll show you where mine drains. Right into my sink. I made this makeshift strainer because everybody knows when you wash clothes, there's some type of something that always wants to clog up the drain. So I just took the bottom of a pair of pantyhose, cut the bottom off, used a rubber banded around here, and there we go. A makeshift strainer, so it won't clog my drain up. And yeah, my sink's a little dirty because I've been doing laundry, but yeah, so it won't drain my so it won't clog my drain, and there won't be any complaints from the management about you can't do laundry here because you're clogging up the drains or anything like that. So yeah. So I'm going to let that finish draining it out, and I'll come back after I have poured my rinse water in. Okay, I'm back once again. First of all, make sure after you drain your water out, which I've already put my rinse water in, but after you drain your water out, make sure you turn your drain back to standard. If not, whatever rinse water you pour in will go right back out, drain right back out into your sink. So anyway, yeah, I've already poured my I put about 1.5 gallons of water, my rinse water. And I know a lot of people are wondering, can you use fabric softener? Yes, I'm using fabric softener right here. It's probably about 1/3 of one of these caps. Only because I like a lot. I like to be able to smell the scent. So about a third of one of those caps. Then I usually turn my rinse to about 3. And just let it go from there. And it runs just like the wash. Just spins and rinses your clothes. And I'll be back once that rinse cycle is over. The wash from the side view, if anybody's just curious as to what it looks like from the side view. It's just like a regular washer, but it's clear and you can see what's going on in there. Okay, this rinse cycle is over. I'm about to turn the drain knob to drain so it can drain out. I do want to say that this whole unit only weighs 24 pounds. So it's very lightweight. It's easy to maneuver on the counter, off the counter, on the floor, however you like to place it. A lot of people build, I've seen, a couple people build a little platform for it because it has a gravity drain. So meaning that this hose has to be pointed downward in order for the water to drain out. So that's why I said it. Another reason why I set it up here, because the hose kind of points down to allow it to be able to drain out. Another thing, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. I just love this product. I think it's well worth the money. And with everybody, wanting and needing to save money, downsize every place we can, this is a great start. If you're new to my channel, I just want you to know that will be my main focus. My main focus will be to save money everywhere I can. Everywhere we can, I'll be letting you know where I save money, going out trying to find different ways to save money through grocery shopping at, outlet malls, which I love to do, shopping at department stores. Anywhere I can find a deal, I will share it on my channel. That's my main focus, Finding deals, saving money. Okay, again, all my rinse water has drained out. Don't forget to change your setting from drain to standard. I always do that at the end just to make sure that when I get ready to fill it up to wash again, it's already done. I don't even have to worry about it. Okay, so over here, what I'm doing now, this little thing comes with it. It's for the spin cycle. So when you spin your clothes, they won't basically vibrate out of there. So here's a spin cycle. These are still soaking wet. All you do is transfer them over. I'll kind of push them down to where they all will fit. Of course, that's the main objective, is to get them all in here at the same time. Spin them all at the same time. All right, here's where this little jobby comes in. I don't know what it's called, but it keeps your clothes from popping out of there when you turn the spin cycle on, because it does spin. I think I read 35. Let me think. Don't quote me on that. Maybe 1,300 rounds per minute, I believe. I usually set my spin on 3. Regardless of what it is, I usually set it on 3. It does stop. That's a safety feature when you open it, which I think is great. In case you have kids or anything. This is set on 3. This is what it looks like from the side. Just a little cylinder in there spinning. And then it is draining right into my sink, all the water that comes out. This is the back of the unit. I don't think I showed it before, but this is the back of the unit, which is just little hooks on here to hang your electric power cord. So I'll be back when that spin cycle's over and wrap this video up. As you can hear, the spin cycle is a little loud sometimes, but I think I can deal with that in order to save a little bit of money. What do you think? You can actually just hang them up for an hour or two, and they're dry. This one, it's a thin t-shirt, but it's still dry enough to hang up for an hour or two. More of that. Okay, I'm back. I finished that load of 6 t-shirts in this Zeny portable twin tubs washer with the spinner. Okay, I'm back. I finished that load of 6 t-shirts in this Zeny portable twin tubs washer with the spinner. Let me know if you like my review. If you do, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Because like I said, my channel will be focused on saving money. Save money on little machines like this, on bills, electric bills, water bills, grocery bills, every place we can save money. I'm going to try to find a way to save money. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. It's just mine. I bought it with my money. It's my own personal opinion. Excuse me. I would definitely recommend it, though. Definitely. I didn't say earlier where you could purchase it. Walmart has it on their site right now for $89. So, there you go. Pretty cheap. If you don't want to have to use laundry facilities that other people have used. And I don't like to personally. Our building has 12 units and we have 1 washer, 1 dryer. No, not good for me. But anyway, like I said, it pays for itself in the long run, and that's where the savings is. You don't have to keep going shoveling money into somebody else's machine to use it once and then put more money in to use it again. Okay. Please like, comment, subscribe. And let me know if you want to see me do more things in this. Do towels in here that are heavier. I have heavy, fluffy towels. Let me know if you want to see me do some towels in here. See how many I can wash at a time. jeans or anything else. Just let me know. Comment and let me know what else you'd like to see me do in this Zeny portable twin tub washer. And subscribe and save money with me. I do some couponing too, so I'll be doing quite a few things on my channel. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.